Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more FPS on Acer Nitro 5. First, make sure your laptop is plugged into the charger. Gaming on battery power can low performance. Next, turn on your laptop and go to the desktop. Now press the NitroSense key on the keyboard. It has a small N logo on it. When NitroSense open, get to the laptop at high performance mode. Set the fan to auto or max to keep the laptop cool. Lower heat helps improve FPS. Next, right click on the desktop and open display settings. Now go to the graphics setting and make sure your gaming uses the high performance GPU. After that, also make sure your drives are updated. Updated drives help games run better on your Acer Nitro 5. Close any background app like browser or music player before gaming. This free up system resources. And finally, keep your laptop cool and clean. Dust and heat can reduce performance over time. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.